EDM Tracker Basics for Physicians, including physician sign-up. Log in to Meditech. It's important that you are logged in under your own user ID for the sign-up process and to help protect your user ID and password. Choose the EDM application and the correct facility. Click on the private tracker. This brings you directly to the in-department tracker. Patients on this tracker have been placed in ED rooms or bays. Notice that some patients have black backgrounds. This indicates that isolation precautions are in effect. The red hashtag indicates that the patient is at risk for falls. The triage CTAS level is indicated by this number here. Levels 1 and 2 are highlighted in red. The chief complaint is listed here and assigned at triage. The status event shows the progression of care for the patient's ED visit. You can click Advanced Status Event button to update the status of your patient if needed. These indicators tell you that lab or DI procedures are in process. The blue indicates the order has been placed in Meditech. The green indicates the test is in process, and pink indicates that the test has been completed. Clicking on these items will take you directly into the results section of PCI. CMT indicates that there is a comment that has been added by nursing or registration. The time indicates how long the patient has been in the emergency department. On the right-hand side of the screen, we have function buttons. Highlight the patient prior to clicking any of the function buttons. The Sign Up button changes the MD to you and also puts the patient on your list. With the implementation of Oculus, the status event will also change to Seen MD, which will timestamp the physician initial assessment time. It is important to sign up only for the patient you are seeing at that time. Batch signing up of patients will skew data and hinder patient flow. The On My List button puts the patient on your list without changing the MD to you or making you the primary physician. The PCI button will launch PCI for the highlighted patient. The Summary button will launch the triage assessment for you to review. The Trackers button allows you to view different EDM trackers. Click on the tracker you wish to view. All of these trackers will have the same functionality as previously discussed. We will focus on the Unassigned All Patients tracker. When you click on the Unassigned All Patients tracker, you will get a list of all patients that have not been assigned a physician. These patients are sorted by length of time in the department. Patients that do not have a room assignment are still in the waiting room and are not yet ready to be seen by the physician. You will notice that there are some patients that have been assigned ERP-ED, ERP-RAS, and ERP-UC. At the St. Catherine's site, the triage nurse chooses the ERP physician according to the stream of care required, either the emergency department, urgent care, or rapid assessment clinic. The time in department, triage level, chief complaint will help guide which patient should be seen next. To sign up for the patient, highlight the patient and click the Sign Up button. The MD will automatically change from ERP to your name and will now appear on your list. The patient will no longer appear on the Unassigned Tracker. Your My List tracker displays the patients you have signed up for or have been added to by using On My List function button. Patients will automatically be purged from your list after 14 days. You can remove patients sooner by clicking the Off My List button. This will only remove the patient from your list and will not remove your name as a primary ED physician. To return to the In-Department Tracker, click on the Tracker button and choose the In-Department Tracker. If you need to leave your Meditech session for a while, you can suspend your session by pressing the Shift key and the F12 key at the same time and choose Suspend Session. This will lock your Meditech session and protect your user ID and password, as well as patient information. When you return to your screen, simply enter your password and your Meditech session will resume.